Princess seams look simple. Two panels, one curve. A clean line either from shoulder or from armhole down to the waist. But anyone who has it knows the truth. Princess seams are structure, and structure is where Moses struggles. They draft it, they sew it, but the curve doesn't sit right. The bust doesn't stand. The underarm pulls. The seam distorts. That is why I created Princess Seam Mastery, not just for teaching, but to teach structure. In this class, you're going to be learning how to pad your seam in the right way. In this course, we begin with foundation, that is understanding Princess seams types, because structure starts as drafting. Using your pattern pieces, laying it on your fabric, and then we move into the ironing, which is another important key of this aspect. Then comes seam engineering, how to join curved panels without stretching, how to prevent distortion, how to align apex points perfectly. We explore padding control, not just adding padding, but tapering it, just like you're seeing that I'm doing in the video right now while ironing this. How to learn how to taper it at the end, positioning it, supporting it. You will learn structure, preserving, pressing techniques, because pressing can build a garment or quietly destroy it. If you don't know how to do your pressing, then it can also quietly destroy this. Then we refine the finish, bias piping insertion. Along Princess seams, clay seam finishing, professional structure control. Bias piping, that is the decorative piping on your princess seam, which is another important aspect. We explore the stitch you should do and the stitch you should not do. Why you should stitch, why you should not stitch, why you should top stitch, why you should not top stitch, why you should double stitch, and why you should not. All this we teach in this Mastery Princess class. By the end of this Mastery class, you will no longer guess. You will understand why a seam stands, why a bust hold shape, while why structure works. This class is not just about knowing, it doesn't limit to knowing beginner sewing tips. This is architectural dressmaking, where fabric becomes fun. When you master how to do your princess seam, then it is a foundation to moving into your corsets when you want to do your corsets. But before you do that, master why it is important to know how to do your bustier the right way. And not again will your bust be remaining flat after stitching and after joining this class. This section reveals so many masteries that most Swiss has been struggling with. What you should do, what you should do, what you should not do, how to nudge, how not to nudge, the best approach to everything, and why it is done this way. We uncover all here. We show all the mistakes, common mistakes that beginners do, even advancing that distorts their bust area not to stand. We review them all practically in this video section. You're going to be seeing how everything is done. Everything is documented right in this video. To join this class, if you're ready to stop struggling with princess seam, if you want your garment to look structured, spotted, and professional, Princess Seam class was designed for you. And you know the interesting part of this class is that you learn one-on-one at your own pace. What you need to do is to tell us the time and the day when you'll be privileged to learn this. Then we'll just be there to guide you step by step. We schedule a 1 hour section for you at a day that is convenient for you. This classes covers two modules. And this is the first module, which is seen with one layer. That is learn the padding techniques with one layer. Then the second module covers learning with a lace, learning with more than a layer, and also the yoke aspect of this stitching. It is easy to register for this. Join via Silla right now. You can go there, make your easy. It is fast and safe. You just click on the link in this comment section right now So access into this course, and then we're going to schedule a section where we'll just be meeting, and I will be personally guide you one step at a time. Because you know why? Because beautiful sewing is not accidental. It is constructed. And I cannot wait to see you on the in class as you take this one step or the other. Come along with all your questions. And if you have not even done princess sim at all, it is not a problem. Just come and we are just going to be guiding you through step by step, and no more flat bustier on a fabric. Knit inside, knit outside. See you in class.